Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to refurbish the Nokia 6070. You can see its current condition. Unfortunately, I don't have a complete original body shell for it. I have the middle part that's original, but the back and front not so original. But hey, it's better than this condition, so let's begin. Also, this video is informative to show you what's inside it and how to put it back together. Phone is fully functional. I think somebody tried to open it already and broke it. Not so bad the keyboard, but the shell itself, meh. Man, these clamps. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but interesting circuit board for the buttons. Here are the other screws underneath this very ugly dirt. There we go. I'm going to need this back and also this part. Be careful not to break this part when you disassemble it. Did it stick here or what the heck? Yeah, somebody added super glue on this. That's why I can't open it. Well, I couldn't open it. There we go. Finally it's out. This has been sticked there. Phew, alright. Easy, taking it out. Come on, what's holding you now? There we go. This is from the SIM card. Here it has the connector. There we go. Here is the main board. I'm just going to have to clean this thing. Yeah, this is how I was supposed to do it. Grab with the pliers these small things, you see. That's how you're supposed to take these things off. Yeah, nah, not a problem. Let's take a closer look again. Actually, it's upside down, the first part. This one's comparing to the new body shell. I already have everything here, so yeah, apparently there's no this part. It's a original, only the front and back parts are not original, so yeah, taking this aside. Also, let's take the display out of here so can be properly cleaned. Here we go. Also, here's the earpiece. Well, these are the parts. I will get to clean them and be right back. Don't go anywhere. Well, done cleaning, time to reassemble it. This is how you're supposed to mount this thing. Slide it here. And that's that. Also put this here. And shove it into place. There we have it. Impressively, they are pressing very nice. Okay. And there we have it. It's not looking very bad, even though the body shell isn't exactly original. It's not looking bad. Seriously, start and yeah. And here we have it, folks. The Nokia 6070. $304. So this was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. And if you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye. Well, body shell not original, but it's still going into the showcase.